everyone, my name is Erin. I'm here today with the Omnilux Contour. We are so excited to introduce this device into the practice. This is actually an at-home device used to maintain your results. It is FDA cleared and has over 40 clinical studies. So as we age, our skin continues to lose collagen and elastin over time. By using an at-home LED red therapy light, you can actually help to improve collagen stimulation and to help with targeting fine lines and wrinkles. So this device has a 633 nanometer red light as well as an 830 nanometer near infrared light. Both of these wavelengths are clinically proven to adjust the clinical signs of aging. It has more LEDs than any other at-home device on the market, and we have tested many different types of at-home LED devices, and this is our top choice. I would recommend 10 minutes a few nights weekly, and it will help to stimulate collagen, help to target fine lines and wrinkles, and as well as the appearance of sun damage. We are thrilled to be offering this complimentary. The retail value is $400 when you purchase any series of treatments in our office this month.